Hello and welcome to Filipicano, the channel dedicated for teaching Filipino or Tagalog language and Ilocano, a native dialect. In this video, you will learn how to say the word weather and vocabularies about weather in Filipino. The word weather in Filipino is panahon. 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 First in our vocabulary list is summer. Summer in Filipino is tag-araw. 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 Spring. Tagsibol. 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 Rainy. Maulan. 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 Winter. Taglamig. 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 Autumn. Taglagas. 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 Lightning. Kidlat. 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 Windy. Mahangin. 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 Thunder. Kulog. 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 Storm. Bagyo. 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 Drizzling rain. Umaambon. 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 Hot. Mainit. 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 Cold. Malamig. 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 And there you have it. That is all for the lesson today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have problem pronouncing the Filipino vowel, please check the description box below for the link on the tutorial. Thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified on our upcoming videos. Mabuhay!